Alright, today I'm going to give you guys a detailed look at this Marvel Universe Cyclops figure. Here's what it looks like in packaging. And here's the back. This is from Series 3, number 10. There's a picture of the figure. We zoom in the bio. And here, you're welcome to pause and read it. And a couple of other figures that are in this wave. We have Gladiator, first appearance Wolverine, and Cable with the little baby Hope. Collect them all, and let's get this guy out of packaging. And alright, here's what the figure looks like outside of packaging. Here's Cyclops. This is what he looks like from the front. And the only accessory that he comes with is his base. Just Marvel Cyclops number 10. Here's what the figure looks like from the side. From the back. And the other side. Alright, and here's a closer look at the Cyclops. And as far as articulation goes, head is on a ball hinge, actually. So there's a hinge there, and it can rotate 360. Base of the neck looks like there's a swivel joint, but I don't think it can move. I tried moving it, but it wasn't moving for me, so I'm not quite sure about that one. And then shoulders a ball hinge, bicep there's a swivel. There's hinge elbows and swivel wrist. Then there's a ball joint around the chest area. There's a swivel around the waist. Ball jointed hips. Swivel at the bicep. Thighs. Double jointed knees. And then the boot. There's a swivel. And on the ankles there's a ball hinge, and also there's a pivot joint on the foot there, which allows him to stand. His foot can lay flat on the ground, even when his legs are spread apart a little bit. This is by far, I have to say, the best articulated figure that I have seen from Marvel Universe. This guy got a lot of articulation, and it's really, really good too. See how Cyclops could actually look up because of the hinge joint, the ball hinge joint around the neck area. And this is basically the highest he could look, which is pretty high. Look at that. And I really like how these strappings are all separate pieces. Like the one around his chest, that's a separate piece. And same thing for the boots. The strap here, it is on a separate piece, and you could move them up and down a little bit just to hide that joint. Let me show you. And here's that swivel boot area, and the strap, you could actually pull it down all the way in between the two, where the two pieces meet, and then to hide that joint, just like how I did on this side, which is really cool. The only thing I didn't like was the fact that they use a blue joint here for the ankles. They should have made that yellow instead of blue, because I don't know why they would use blue here. It's kind of weird. And look at how good this figure looks. Even just a regular standing pose. Again, an amazing figure. And here's a nice pose of Cyclops actually doing the optic blast pose. I know all the previous figures, his hand can actually really touch his visors, but this one, he could actually touch it. So he can do a very convincing optic blast pose. And here's another look. Yeah, this is a very cool figure. If you can find it, definitely pick him up. If I see it again, I probably will pick it up again, just to have one in packaging. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. But it is a very cool Cyclops, and a very articulated figure. I mean, even if you don't like this character, pick it up for the articulation, because it's just that good. And let's do a size comparison. And here's Cyclops standing next to Marvel Universe Deadpool, DC Universe Superman, and what is this? Movie Masters Green Lantern. There you have it. Thanks for watching.